Hey everybody, I wanted to quickly share a winter tag game that we're playing this week. This game is called ice skating tag. So it's a really simple game. You only need a few pieces of equipment. You need some small pool noodles for the taggers, and then you need enough scarves for everyone to have two. So I'm doing this for K through 4th grade this week. And when the game starts, each student is going to have two scarves. And what I've done out on my playing area is I've made a giant ice skating rink using 6 of the big cones to make a big rectangular playing area. And each student is going to walk inside the playing area, and we're going to work on sliding today. So we're working on our locomotor skills. We're going to focus on sliding. So what each student is going to do is that they're going to place 2 of their scarves on the ground, and then they're going to carefully place each foot on each scarf to create a sliding scarf. So it simulates ice skating. So every student is going to have 2 scarves, and when the game starts, they're all going to start sliding around, staying inside of the ice skating rink area. Now, 2 or 3 of the students are going to also have a blue noodle, and they are going to be the taggers. So they must be on their scarves too. And if you get tagged by one of the taggers, all you do is you safely take off your ice skates, bring them to the stage or your bucket, wherever you leave them. And then the student must do a full lap around the ice skating rink. So you can designate what direction they go, but they'll run all the way around the gym. And then when they get back to the stage, they will just get 2 more scarves, safely enter the ice skating rink again, and then begin sliding and skating around. So ice skating tag, pretty simple game. There will be a lot of emphasis on safe sliding and speed and control. The scarves can get a little slippery and a little bit crazy if the students don't maintain good self-control and speed when they're moving around, but normally it's a lot of fun and the kids get a good little warm-up from it. So ice skating tag, all you need are some scarves, some noodles, and some cones to make a little ice skating rink, and it's a good warm-up for the winter holiday. Hope you enjoy. I'll have a quick little demonstration at the end of this video. Thanks again. So depending on the age level or size of your class, you can always modify this activity however you need. For example, if a student gets tagged by one of the taggers, instead of them running a lap around your area, they can simply go off to the side and practice a scarf toss or a scarf skill that you've been working on. So for kindergarten, for example, instead of running a loop around the area, I simply have the student go off to the side, toss and catch the scarf 1 or 2 times, and then enter the game safely, put on their skates, and then start playing. So I usually play for about 45 seconds to a minute, and then I stop and have the kiddos readjust their skates, move their scarves around, and then change taggers. So hopefully you enjoy ice skating tag. It's a fun one during the holiday time, and I appreciate all the support. Please subscribe to PE School for more content. Thanks again.